A real 12-column grid genuinely is the standard flexible foundation for actual responsive page layouts. In this video, you'll build a real working 12-column grid. This real base grid genuinely defines 12 equal actual columns, the real, standard flexible foundation most layout systems use. Span 4 genuinely makes this item occupy 4 of the 12 real columns. 3 of these actual side-by-side fill the whole real row. This real media query genuinely makes each item span the full actual 12 columns on narrow screens, stacking into one real column on mobile. A 12-column grid genuinely is a common, flexible layout foundation. Grid column span n genuinely controls how many of the 12 columns an item occupies. A real media query genuinely can reflow columns to full width on mobile. Build a real 12-column grid with a 3-column desktop layout that stacks on mobile. Ready to explore real CSS multi-column text layout?